Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Muzz's Magic Machines. Back on the lovely Triumph. Previously you might have watched the first episode where I tried to kickstart this thing. She didn't want to start, so what I've done is a little bit of investigative work. I found there's a switch just to the side here, just down here, a bit hard to see in the dark but it's there. I flicked that back to where it was when I first got the bike. I'll do some more testing to see what that switch does. I pulled the spark plugs out, they were fouled and black and wet, so I've ordered some new ones, and the ones that were in it were actually warmer, so I'm putting the ones in, they were B7 ESs that were in here, but the book says they should be a B8 ES. The other thing I quickly did was, because I read up on the regulator that charges the battery, and the battery actually provides spark, provides power for the ignition system when you're starting it. So I tested the battery and the voltage was about 11.2. So I've charged it, and down there you can see all the beautiful stuff that I've been doing with. I've charged it and now it's sitting at about just 13.8 volts. So I'm going to change these spark plugs around, and we're going to see how it goes. So I'll just put this down here. And one good thing that I like about these bikes and their nakeds is so easy to get to. I'll take that out. And a bit hard to see, but it is just, and you can smell the fuel in there. So it's definitely getting fuel, which is good to see. Put some nice fresh spark plugs in there, and then I'll be able to see what's actually happening with the ignition system after this. If for some reason it doesn't fire, we'll pull the plugs out, we'll short them out, and we'll see if they're actually doing anything. Let's listen for the click. Oh, that's my phone. Alright, so just had to take a work call because the phone never stops. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. I'm going to put the bike outside. Let's see what she comes up with. Thought I'd give everyone a better angle. Let's see if that works there. That works pretty good. Oh, fuel on. Fingers crossed. Tickle it. There's definitely fuel inside. I'll open both taps. Get rid of this. Oh, ignition. Also fixed the brake light so it doesn't come on, so I've got full power of the battery. Oh. Oh, that was a kickback. We had water of fire. Okay, this is gonna be it. Oh, geez, she wants to kick back. Come on. We've got fuel, we've got spark. That fired then, that fired. works, it works, it works, it works. It works. Listen to this thing. How cool is that? What a machine. What a machine. Yes. Oh, I was so worried that this wasn't going to start. What a beauty. What a beauty. Yes. What a machine. Oh, I want to sweep. I went up and down about a couple of times. The gear shift is loose. Oh, lose my balance. So many little things I can do. I'm so excited right now. I think I'll go through everything, but I was even worried. I stalled it down the end of the street and I was like, oh no, it's not going to start again like it did the other night. And bang, 3 cranks, 3 kicks, and bang, she started again. So I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to try and start it now and see what she does, see if it'll fire up again. But oh man, I'm on a high. How good is this thing? How good is it? All right, I'm going to put this here and I'm going to quickly try and start it up again, kickstart it warm, see if it'll fire up. So ignition, fuel's on, switch is there. Put the stand up. This thing is so cool. Oh, I didn't really want it to go. Oh, that was a waste of kick. Itself. I don't have to sit there tweaking it, playing with it or anything like that. It's running a little bit rich. There's a little bit of black smoke coming out. I can work on that. This is fantastic. How awesome is that? Well, that wasn't planned for. Don't know what I was popping. Maybe it was running a bit too rich. I'll try and kickstart it again. Let's see what happens. Compression there. Oh, got some kickback, I'll tell you what. I love it. This is awesome. What a machine. What a machine. Seems to be popping a little bit when it's idling for a long time. I'll pull the plugs out. There is some black smoke coming out of it, so it might mean adjust the mixtures a little bit at idle. So we'll do that again. We'll see how it goes. But like 3 kicks when it's hot, I'm pretty happy with that. It could be the battery's a bit flat. I'll check the voltage on the battery now as well, and let's see how it goes. But I am so excited right now. That is awesome. I am so happy about that. It is unreal.